Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make white sauce pasta without Maida. Start by boiling your favorite pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to save about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain it. This liquid gold is essential for creating a wonderfully creamy sauce later on, helping to emulsify everything beautifully. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference in the final dish. Now, let's build our delicious, Maida-free sauce base. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour or cornstarch. Cook this mixture gently for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. This step helps to cook out the raw flour taste, ensuring a smooth and flavorful foundation for your sauce. Next, slowly pour in 1½ cups of milk, whisking vigorously to ensure a perfectly smooth sauce without any lumps. Continue to whisk as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It will begin to thicken beautifully. Now, season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite herbs like oregano or basil for extra flavor. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your cooked pasta directly into the creamy sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Stir gently to coat every strand. Garnish with fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated cheese, and serve your delicious, Maida-free white sauce pasta immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.